Hi, so I am going to look at getting the pair coil and aircon stuff sorted today, as well as the penetration seals. Down here I've mounted a bit of 80mm pipe that goes through. Got to put a seal on the outside. I'm end up going to drill some probably 65mm holes through here, possibly smaller. I'll see what the pair coil requires, and I can drill the cabling and drains elsewhere. Up here, same sort of thing. I've got a stiffening plate that'll end up screwing to the underside of there, similar to what the plumbers have done here, and that will re-establish the strength of that top plate. So that'll be good, and then I can run from there. I've sort of got to work out as I go how I'm gonna put my pair coil. If I can run it in a mostly uniform way, that I can tie it in a way that's going to be out of the way for insulation and cables in the future, as well as myself if I ever have to climb up there. I want it to kind of be, mostly out of the way, so ease of use and access and not getting damaged in the future. So yeah, that'll come along, and then into the ceiling space of sort of the office media room. So yeah, it'll come up into the space that's already been created for that. Just going to look at installing these trade seals. So this will go on the exterior penetrations. So we've got close tab there, and then that'll go on there. Yeah, so what I do with this, poke that through there, slide it up. And I want to try and get that right, so let's push the top on. Oh, not quite out there. Yep. Go there. Get that on there. Get that top nice and sealed in. And then just work that seal onto the building rack. This bit has a bit of plywood behind it, so it's nice and firm, which is handy. And then water will come down, tries to get on there, it's going to hit that edge, go down either the sides, or come along here and around here and down. So can I go inside? Bloody primo. Then I got this big one to go around the aircon ducting. Well, let's see how this turns out. Basically going to end up having that